So I bought this Renault Clio pretty cheap, but it came with a few issues. It's smoking on startup and the MOT's run out. I was also told that the clutch was gone. But honestly, it doesn't feel that bad. Which makes me think something else is going on. It's not in terrible condition overall, but I need to find out why it's smoking, because this could be something simple or something very expensive. So let's crank her over and see what she starts like. It's a bit sluggish to be fair, but sounds alright. The interior's not bad either, a bit rough in places, but nothing major. It's just that smoke that's worrying me. It actually seems alright for what it is. Boot space is decent, nothing obviously wrong back here. No major signs of damage, got the spare wheel under there. So we're just going to have a quick look and see if we can figure out when the service is due. Looks like we've got half a tank of diesel, so that's good. So the service isn't actually due for another 3,500 miles. So it shouldn't be smoking like that. Everything looks fine. It definitely isn't. I think I know where to start.